everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the questions in paper 1 of the 2013 JEE Advanced Physics paper. The order I'll be following will be the same as in code 0, but in any other order the questions will be the same, just the order will be different, so you can figure that out for yourself. Right. Now we move on to the next section, in which one or more of the options will be correct. And just a small tip I'll give you: the best way to solve questions in which one or more options are correct is, so that you don't miss any of the options, is to treat each option as a true or false. So you have to solve basically 4 questions, one for each option, whether it's true or false, because otherwise you sometimes forget some important options which might seem too obvious to you to warrant spending much time on. Let's go to question 13. So in question 13 we have a horizontal stretched string vibrating in the 5th harmonic, and we are given the equation. So first, the best thing would be to write the equation in terms of pi, because pi is given to be 3.14. so y of x comma t comes out to be 0.01 sine of 62.8 times s. 62.8 seems to be 20 pi, right? So it's sine of 20 pi cos of 200 pi t, right? And from this we can directly see that the wavelength lambda is 1 by 10 and the time period is 1 by 100, because after time period 1 by 100 it becomes 2 pi, and after 10 this is x, after lambda 1 by 10 this becomes 2 pi, and it repeats itself. So lambda is 1 by 10 and the time period is 1 by 100. Now if it's vibrating in the 5th harmonic, that means we know the structure it will have, right? It will have 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a traveling wave, by the way, this is a standing wave, right? So this is sort of what it will be. At one extreme it will be like this, the other extreme it will be the opposite of that, right? So from this directly we can see that the number of nodes is actually 4, it's not 5, right? And lambda is 1 by 10, which is 0.1, and lambda is this thing, right? It's 2 loops, makes a lambda. So if this is 0.1, this whole thing is 0.25. So the first statement is false, but the second statement is true, so B is true. The maximum displacement of the midpoint of the string is, so the midpoint is an antinode, so the maximum displacement certainly is 0.01. So C is also true. And the fundamental frequency is 100 Hz. So no. If it's vibrating, this means the frequency is 100 Hz. But 100 Hz is for its 5th harmonic, right? And we know the frequency is proportional to the harmonic when it's tied at both ends, right? Frequency is actually equal to NV by 2L. These are the standard formulas you need to remember, right? So it's proportional to N. So the fundamental frequency is not 100, the fundamental frequency is 20 Hz. If this was vibrating in the fundamental mode, then the frequency would be the fundamental one, right? But the fundamental is 20, it's vibrating in the 5th harmonic, therefore it's vibrating at 5 times the frequency. So the answer will be B and C. So this is how you do it. You take each option and you check it as a true or false, right? So this completes the solutions. Thank you.